This is the Eureka E10s robot vacuum and mop combo with bagless self-emptying station. Now, I've been testing this out for a couple of weeks and giving the E10s a chance to show me what it can really do. And I gotta tell you, I like what I'm seeing, or more specifically, what I'm not touching. You no longer have to clean out the dust and debris bin in your robot because the base station for the E10s empties it out for you. And I'm telling you, this makes it so convenient because just trying to clean out the dustbin inside the robot itself can be a mess. The base station can hold up to about 45 days of dust and debris. So for 45 days or more, depending on how frequent and well, how much debris your E10s is going to pick up, you're not going to be touching this until the base station gets full. And once it is, well then take the container from the base, open the bottom and dump out the debris and put it back. The process saves you time and money not having to invest in separate catch bags for your robot vacuum. Now you might be thinking, okay, I like the idea of a bagless station, but with the station taking dust from one device to the next, what does that do to my environment? Basically, is it going to smell like someone just vacuumed my space? Well, the answer is no. With its multi-cyclonic Hepa filter, your robot vacuum creates a healthy environment for you, but also extending the lifespan of the filter inside the robot. In short, it's a win-win for you. Okay, so now you know what the Eureka E10s can do after the fact, but what about its actual cleaning ability? Well, with its strong suction power and dual brushes, it does a great job of picking up dust, snack crumbs, pet hair, and food from hard floors. This becomes a great asset, especially in areas where you constantly have to clean, like the kitchen floor, the dining room, or the front of the house where you have all sorts of dirt tracked in from the outside. Now, let's not forget, the Eureka E10s mops as well. Light stains such as coffee or sauces are cleaned away with no issues at all. The E10s applies moisture to the mopping pad underneath it. Then, as it's sweeping and picking up debris, it presses the mop pad down on the floor, cleaning up the stains. Okay, we know the E10s vacuums and mops, but can it vacuum and mop simultaneously even when there are carpets? Again, the answer is yes. While the E10s is gathering and sucking up dirt from its vacuum and mopping right behind it, when it comes across a carpet, well, the E10s intelligently detects the carpet and lifts the mopping pad so that the carpet is not getting wet. You also have the option for the E10s to increase its suction power when going over carpet and then reducing its power when back over a hard surface. Other features such as its LiDAR navigation, which gives you better mapping and cleaning of your environment, cleaning around the corners and edges of walls, cleaning around objects, or even obstacle avoidance so you can avoid things that may hold up the cleaning process. It even has a 20mm obstacle climbing feature, so it's not avoiding things like a dirty kitchen mat just because it thinks it's too tall for it. That's a plus, I'm telling you. Last, full app support to map your entire house, clean individual rooms, name them if you like, or select specific zones in your house that you want to clean. You can even create no-go zones, schedules, use the app as a remote, and so much more. Okay, my final thoughts. The Eureka E10s is a solid robot vacuum and mop cleaner with a superb self-cleaning base station. You'll be free to have your place clean, hands-free, without worrying about cleaning out the base station for up to 45 days. LiDAR support, an intelligent mop lift system, and solid app support make the E10s a great robot vacuum and mop. Alright, hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Eureka E10s. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.